Hello everyone, we are from the group 1 and today we're going to be talking about the Google Slides. But we will introduce our member the first and then we are 5 in this group. The first one is Egita Rizkitia, the next one is Syadrina, and then Farah Nur Amalia, and the next one is Ira Amalia Farida, and the last one is Fitri Handayani. Google Slides is a presentation program that's included as part of a free web-based office offered by Google. To get to Google Slides, we're going to have to open it up in a web browser, and we're going to be using Google Chrome. In order to use Google Slides, you need to have a free Google account, and you need to be logged in to access it. Or you can add another account, and then type your email address in the box, then click the next button. Fill your password in the box and click the next. If you already logged in, you can choose your account like this. Just click your account. And to access the Google Slide, you can open your Google Drive. drive.google.com. Then, click the new button. Select Google Slides. You can choose you want to create a blank presentation or a template presentation. So I will choose a blank presentation. For alternatively, you can add new tab and you can click slides.google.com. You can either start a blank presentations or create a presentation with an existing template offered by Google. Let's have a look at the templates. If you scroll down, you will see Google Slides overview quite a few options. And we have personal templates, we have work templates, and also education templates. But for this tutorial, we want you to learn the mechanics of how Google Slides work. So we will start with a blank template. Welcome to Google Slides. On the top, you will see a lot of tools and tabs we will use. There are File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Slide, Arrange, Tools, and many more. On the left, we have the list of all the slides. And in the middle, we have the preview area where we can edit the slides. First of all, we need to add a title to our presentations. In here, we will name it descriptive text. Then you can click Enter in your keyboard. You can also change the color background by click the button that says background. You can choose the color or input an image. In here, we will use a color. You can choose this color offered by Google or click a custom to create your own color. But in here, we will choose a color from this. We will choose light blue 3 and then click done. Next, we will show you how to insert an image to your slide. You can click insert image and then choose the source of your image. In here, we will choose upload from our computer. This is an image that we will insert to our slide. And then click the image, click open. You can also move and drag your image anywhere you want by click and hold it with your mouse. You also can resize it like this. And then we will show you how to add the text with the text box tool. Click that text box tool, make a rectangle, and then type your text right there. In here, I will type descriptive text as a title for our slides. Select the text. With selected text, you can change the font size, and then you can make it bold, you can make it italic, or you can make it underline. You can also change the text color, and then you can change the font type. In here we use comfort in normal. So I will choose the center alignment and make it bold. To create a new slide, you can go on the left and right-click your mouse and you can select the new slide. Or you can do that same thing by click the slide button on the top and then click new slide. On this new slide, we will do the same as the first slide. We will delete it the first, delete it again, and then we will change the background color. Choose the color and then click done.
You can also insert an audio to your slide. Same as the audio, you can also insert video to your slide by click insert and then click the video. You can choose the video from your Google Drive. Well, if you want to select your video for your computer, the first you have to upload it to your Google Drive. Well, I will create a new slide again. In this new slide, I will insert a shape by click insert and then click shapes. You can choose the shape arouse go out for equation. In here, we will use rectangle. And we will change the color by click border color with transparent and choose fill color. Next, you can click insert image and then click upload from computer and choose your image.
On Google Slides, you can also insert a link on a text. You just have to block the word or press and then click the button and see insert link. In the books link, you can type a link or paste link. In here, we will use a link from www.studiobelajar.com for an example and then click apply. So the descriptive text become a link that you can click at and you will go to the website. Well, we will make the next slide, but we will speed up this video because we will do the same steps with the previous slide. We will change the big color and then insert the picture and then add the text on our slide. You can also add the highlight color on a text. Select the text to first, and then you can click the button that says highlight color. So in here we will choose a light magenta one. So as you can see here, the text become highlighted.
Well, we will make the next slide until the end of our slide, and we will speed up this video again because the step that we will use is the same step as the previous slide. So here, if you have already finished making the materials on the Google slide and want to start the presentation, you can go to the first slide at the cover and click present to start the presentation. Now we are ready to deliver the materials we made on the Google slide before. We can use the arrow keys on the keyboard. To move forward to the next slide, we can use the right arrow keys, and the left arrow keys is used to go back to the previous slide. And if we reach the end of the presentation, we can press the escape button on the keyboard or the X sign in the middle of the slide as shown in the video to end or close the presentation. We can also share our Google slide by link with click to the share on the right top and change the permissions rule on your Google slide, or edit in the same file too, or choose the viewer. Click copy link and you're done.
To download it, you can go to the file button and then select the download, and depending on your needs, you can download it as a PowerPoint files, or you can download as a PNG image based on the current slide, or maybe you can download it as PDF doc file. In here, we will choose the PDF file and choose your directory to save the file. Type your file name and then click save, and your file will be downloaded. Well, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and we hope you learned a lot of things from this tutorial. This was group 1 from SHA class. We will see you soon.